from the start, when there were just these young, there was 2 young men, I remember them, I remember their names, but I can see them. And they just had decided that food was important and congregating, and they just started it.
Suppose, in winter bad weather, or I feel so low, don't even want to walk to and from the car. So that is the day I would phone Santropol, which I didn't have access to before, not knowing that it existed. It was Susan Schwartz's article reporting on it in detail.
There's this great bunch of people on bicycles delivering sandwiches. You want to try some? I said, sure.
So that's wonderful, the days when I don't feel up to going to the communal lunch or preparing something myself.
Ah non, oui.
Vous recevez toujours des livraisons?
Ah oui,
Oh,
oui,
ouais.
oui, 5 jours par semaine.
OK.
Oui, oui.
I do get the odd meal from Santropol Roulant. I only take the ones that are vegetarian.
Once a day, 5 days a week. If I need 5 days a week, sometimes I can do 2 or 3. And sometimes they give me so much that I have 2 meals already in 1 meal.
I sometimes start dessert and then have the meal the next day.
There's 3 people in this building receiving the Meals on Wheels from Santropol. I don't know the other 2. The students come, usually 2, sometimes 1 bicycle, as the pack-sack is 3-4 meals in it, in trays.
It's a good thing. It's heartwarming, right? It's good to see young people at the door, positive. Some people are even older that volunteer. They're smiling and happy, and it's very good.
Santropol, c'est toujours tellement bon, là. C'est des bons légumes, c'est toutes des choses dans ma diète.
Without Santropol or Meals on Wheels to help the people that they're looking after in a way, if they can't live at home in a way that keeps them alive, they have to be placed.
C'est le Santropol, c'est la moitié de ma vie, moi. Oui. Après ma famille, moi, oui.
Santropol, it's very good organization.
Qu'est-ce que je ferais pas pour Santropol, moi, non doute.
Wonderful. Head off.
Je les embrasse tous bien fort, là. Je les remercie. Je les remercie qu'ils soient là, qu'ils existent.